lifetime values. Sportsmanship is one of those values that makes these games an educational experience. Now, let's introduce the reserves for the visiting Seagulls. Junior, number 1, Grace Ravenbone. Junior, number 3, Emmy Foreman. Sophomore, number 5, Marley Lockheed. Freshman, number 6, Josie Orr. And freshman, number 13, Elsa Reed. Let's introduce the reserves for your Cascade Bruins. Junior, number 2, Kendall McNabb. Junior, number 4, Delisa Loak. Senior, number 5, Inessa Dimitra. Sophomore, number 12, Elsie Boyne. Sophomore, number 16, Kylia Tibbet. Now let's meet the starting lineups for your Network Seagulls. Number 12, sophomore, senior, number 2, Lauren Desimoni. Junior captain, number 4, Ava Burman. Senior, number 7, Caitlin Chaussee. Junior, number 8, Ava Natala. Junior, number 9, Jackie Stokes. Junior, number 11, Harmony Bielli. And the girl, number 12, senior, number 10, Jamie Thomas. And now your starters for the Cascade Bruins. Junior, number 1, Ella Amaya. Senior, number 3, Harmony Guilford. Senior captain, number 7, Nalani Turner. Junior captain, number 8, Maggie Christensen. Freshman, number 9, Jane Christensen. Junior, number 11, Lucy Cotton. Libero, number 6, Cody Rasmussen. The Seagulls are coached by head coach Heather Turner and assisted by Sarah and the Bruins are coached by head coach Nicole Revello. The line judges for today's district match are John Cooper and Jack Cooper. The official scorekeepers for today's match are Dick and Pat Burnett. The official libero tracker for today's match is Rebecca Tinius. And our athletic trainer for
got out of there.
is Natalia Navarro. Representing the Washington Officials Association, today's officials are head referee David Swanson and AR Corey Osmensky. Their experience and integrity qualify them to administer the rules of the game.